Crude oil WTI traded in a narrow range yesterday. We have seen it is struggling to break below 68. Now, we have discussed yesterday why 68, 67.8 is going to remain a greater support. Hitting the support, it is trying to stay in a zone. Now, most importantly, on the upside, it has failed to break beyond the critical resistance at 69.4, 69.6. Another way to look at it is diminishing bearishness here. Now, either it breaks below 67.8, which confirms its next move towards 67 and lower levels, or to break beyond 69.4, 69.6 and continue under this bullish channel. What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading oil and crude oil today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. No major key events today, no major data sets today. Yes, today the US markets are closed on account of Thanksgiving holiday, and thus the volatility might remain a bit subdued here later with the US side. With that, let's start first. Let's have a look at the hourly charts. What's happening here? Look at the move here. This. Bearishness diminishing, very clear. Second thing is lower highs are seen, so it is shying away from breaking on the upside. And the third thing is the support on the downside. It has formed a very strong support as now at 68. So with these three levels, you can also notice on the upside now 68.8 is the first resistance, 69.3, 69.6 are the two resistance it needs to break. That will confirm the reversal. Till then, you should not be treating this for a buy here. See, the moving average is crossed over here. This is a bearish sign. The stochastic has dropped. The MACD is running flat here. And if you notice this, the RSI is running flat as well. Now, when you see this on the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts also similar observation here. See, the bearishness diminishing is one sign which you should keep an eye on. As you can see that the movement has diminished and lower highs are seen as well. So this is a squeeze, and when it comes out of the squeeze, specifically below 67.8, I think we are going to look forward to a greater move here on the downside. Right now, I am not in favor of such a greater down move here, but these are markets, because see, I have shared several times 66, 67 is a prime support zone, and this is the third to fourth time it is trying to move in this zone. Yes, there is bearishness, but it hardly takes a single candle for it to break here, and this time if it breaks above 69.3, 69.6, you can look forward to 70.5, 70.4, and if that is taken, then we are looking forward to a very good rise here. Now, when you see the stock ISIC, this is trading at a comfortable levels, and see the RSI, MACD, this is almost running flat, and RSI has dropped as well. Also, friends, do watch till the end. Towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels for the day. Do watch till the end, and do like, share, and subscribe and comment if you're not subscribed to the channel. And do like, share, and comment as well. Now, when you see the 3-hour charts, yes, this crossover is important. What is happening after the crossover? Prices are trading bearish. You can see lower highs are seen, and you can also notice the 20-period moving average giving it a prime resistance here. And the 69, first is 68.8 itself. Yes, you can buy if you see it is staying above 68.8. Expect 69, 69.3, 69.6. Very nearby resistances, but you cannot avoid it. Yes, these levels are crucial, because once it breaks these levels, see, it will liberate and the prices will fly. So right now I can see the momentum on the upside is missing, but the good thing here is the diminishing bearishness. The good thing here is the support on the downside, which is definitely crucial here. The stochastic is running flat. Look at the MACD. It is traded bearish. It is trying to converge. It is not yet. I will wait for a crossover here. This will confirm the reversal. Right now, it is shying away from it. The RSI is comfortable here. On the 4-hour charts, the observation on the 4-hour charts is same. This crossover is important. This divergence is important. This is suggestive of bearishness, but it is not that it cannot reverse and crossover again on the upside. What is happening here that is also important to note? Drop, retracement drop. Right now it is closed at the lower end, and this is definitely a good support. The second thing to note here is the higher lows and the lower highs. So this is a zone of consolidation. Thus, for the day, it is very important for oil to trade below 68, 67 point. And if that is taken, then we can expect more bearish. Till then, I'll recommend you to exercise caution here on the downside. Next thing to note here is, uh, I will show you this on the daily charts, but yes, on the 4-hour charts, look at this, look at the wave here, and this time it is reversing from the lower high. So this is something you should keep a watch on, because now if it breaks below 67.8, then 67.3, 67 levels will come into picture. The stochastic is looking down, the MACD is trading with modest bearishness here, looking downwards. The RSI has dropped as well. Coming to the now, on the daily charts, one important observation is the triple bottom levels here. This is crucial. Second observation, now see, this is strengthen the support levels here in between 66 and 67. Now, this is definitely a crucial observation, as we have seen prices bouncing back from these levels. Now, next thing is, if you notice, ideally I will connect like this, where you can find out it is trading in a box where the highs at 72.5 are very very crucial and the lows at 66.5. But what it has done this time, it has reversed from slightly low. Now this is one point we should notice, because see, this is a slight bearish indication, but again, if you observe the last four trading sessions, you will find out the bearishness has diminished. Now there could be one way to look at it: if it breaks below 67.8, you can look forward to a greater correction, else the current candle will become a sign of reversal, because the price is breaking beyond 69.6, and 70 levels should lead to reversal here. Yes, should lead to higher highs here, where it will aspire to move towards 72.5 levels. And we know that breaking beyond 72.5, it is going to fill the gap at 74.5, 75 levels very very soon. See, the stochastic has dropped to bottom. MACD, if you look at, forming double bottom, it has tried to cross over. It is not yet crossed over. It has lot much of room on the upside. Rise, retracement, and a crossover here is going to be significant. The RSI has dropped as well. And let's also have a look at the weekly charts. What's happening on the weekly charts? It is not that it cannot reverse, but see, the resistance marked here on the upside is pretty strong. The next thing is, which I am looking at, the support levels here till towards 65, 66. Though ideally, previously we have seen slightly higher support levels, but this time it is breached. But even though it has breached, look at the levels it has failed to break, and thus in the near future I do expect that there has to be a massive reversal in oil prices. Though right now it is shying away from a breakout, but sooner there has to be. But not if it breaks below 65, 64.8, then you can expect a movement towards 60 as well. The moving averages are trading with divergence and bearishness. Stochastic at bottom, MACD also at bottom here, and the RSI is flat. So looking at this, let me give you the trading levels. And before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, or ping me over Telegram for your. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a stress-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, looking at this, I will recommend you to buy here at 68.8 levels today. Expect 69.2, 69.3 as the first target levels. Very very good resistance here. Then 69.6. If this is taken, stay bullish for 70, 70.5, and breaking beyond 71, 70.5, I will be looking forward to 71.4. If this is taken, then 72, 72.5. And now this is applicable for tomorrow as well, where we can, once it breaks beyond 72.5, if today, tomorrow, or next week, we are looking forward to a direct landing at 70. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry now at 68 and then 67.75. Two key support levels below this, you can expect it to move towards 67.3 and 67. If this is taken, this time 66.5 will come into rescue, and if that is taken, then the strongest support is towards 65, 64.8, breaking below which we are looking forward to a greater correction, where the prices are going to move towards 63.5, 62, and then $60 levels in the near future. When I say near future, Not necessarily it is going to happen in a day or two, because see, from the current levels, if you talk about 62 or 60 levels, it is greater than 10% correction here. So it is not going to happen obviously in a day, but yes, breakout levels are very, very important for us to track the movement here. So take your positions, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Do join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment.